Hello students, today I am going to teach you Geography Chapter 2 Environment and Environmental Problems. This Environment and Environmental Problems. These are the key points of this meaning of environment. We shall discuss environmental problem and then major environmental problems. Those are pollution, desertification and global warming. So first introduction. In this introduction section, the environment is a theme has drawn utmost attention of the people during the contemporary period. Although the term environment has been in use for a long time, it is now acquired special importance. Presently almost in all kinds of academic, administrative, commercial and political discussions, the issues relating to environment are commonly referred. That the environmental problems have disturbed people in almost all parts of the world have been currently in media. Nowadays, all kinds of media are seen putting more emphasis on the environmental issues. That we should keep the environment healthy has become goal and objective for all of us. Necessary importance for environmental education has also been in the school and college curriculum. So here the meaning of environment. This is the meaning of environment. In broad sense, environment denotes the condition around an organism or a community of organisms. Such a condition includes all necessary elements for survival. These elements are both biotic and abiotic. As we know that biotic and abiotic, in previous chapter we have studied about biotic and abiotic elements. The biotic elements include all sorts of plants and animals, ranging from microbes to large mammals. On the other hand, land, ranging from land, water, air, all other lifeless elements fall under the biotic category. These biotic and abiotic elements, through their interaction, create necessary condition or environment for life. In other words, each and every organism or community of organisms depend upon the conditions around. Thus, organisms are also constituents of their environment. Human beings are also an organisms and they also depend on the environment around. The meaning of environment is very wide and complex from geographical point of view. We have four major spheres of Earth determine its environment. These are: first is lithosphere, land portion; hydrosphere, water portion; atmosphere, air portion; and biosphere, life portion. These are the four important spheres of the environment. These spheres are interconnected and these four are interconnected to each other. Okay, the condition created by the interaction among them may broadly be called environment. This, in general sentence, the condition created by the interaction among them may broadly be called environment. The famous geographer Peter Hagen says that the environment is outcome of the interaction among land, water, air and life. In this sense, the Earth's environment is vast and complicated system. Within such a vast system, the local and regional environments have been functioning. It means that the environment of all the localities are the constituent of the vast global environmental systems. In order to understand the Earth's environment, it is necessary to have brief ideas on the above mentioned sphere and their interactions. First is lithosphere. First is what? Lithosphere. So lithosphere, the land component of the Earth, composed of rocks, soils, minerals, etc. form the lithosphere. Lithosphere is formed by rocks, soils, minerals, etc. The lithosphere covers all the continents where we find the mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, valleys, and coasts. These are found on lithosphere, mountain, hill, these are. The characteristics of the lithosphere and its change in course of time depends on the other three components: hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere of the Earth's environmental system.